This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, December 10th. Stock index futures are trading mixed to higher this morning. We did have the U.S. Small Business Confidence Index surging to its highest levels in almost 3.5 years in November. The National Federation of Independent Business Small Business Index coming in at 101.7 when 94.5 was expected. Also, there are indications that the U.S. economy will perform better than the consensus view in 2025, and it still appears that the longer-term fundamentals and technicals are supportive to stock index futures, so I think this uptrend will continue. Moving over to the currencies, the December U.S. dollar index breaking out to the upside today, this after last week a false sell signal with a double bottom being broken but with no follow-through. So better technical indications today with this chart breakout this morning. Still looks like the fundamentals and technicals are supportive to the dollar index. At the same time, it appears that the fundamentals and technicals are bearish for both the euro currency and the British pound. So from here, I would expect additional gains in the dollar index, additional pressure in the euro currency and the British pound. In the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing prices lower across the board. We have no Federal Reserve speakers today. In fact, no speakers in advance of the December 18th FOMC meeting, and this is their blackout period where there are no speakers to offer policy outlook between now and the Fed meeting. Still look like the Fed will be cutting rates at that meeting, December 18th, with an 86% chance of a 25 basis point cut, 14% probability of no change. And it still appears that the Federal Reserve, though likely to add accommodation next year, I think they will be adding accommodation at a much slower pace than most analysts are currently anticipating. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.